Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 22 how to delete a message via direct message on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone, the Instagram application itself, and now we can go to the iPhone and then click the Instagram application itself. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile, go back to the home page, go to DMs. If you have sent a couple of messages to whoever and then wish to delete the message, go to the client you are speaking to, and now we can delete the message by holding and then unsend message yes once, twice, 3, 4 times. And now if we go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called Grids, go to your DMs, go to the messages sent from computer science videos to my second account. And now we see all the messages are no longer available except the hello. Quit the application Grids, and now we can go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.